Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a product that's been making waves in the world of eco-friendly home cleaning. The Green Gobbler Enzyme Drain Cleaner. If you're tired of slow drains, nasty clogs, or chemical smells from traditional drain cleaners, this might just be the natural solution you've been looking for. So what exactly is Green Gobbler Enzyme Drain Cleaner? It's a non-toxic, biodegradable formula that uses natural enzymes to break down organic material in your pipes, like grease, hair, food, and soap scum. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, it's safe for septic systems, PVC pipes, and even pets and kids around the home. I tested this on our kitchen sink, which has been draining slow for weeks, and also in our bathroom where hair buildup is a constant issue. The instructions are super simple. You just pour the solution into the drain, let it sit overnight, and flush it with hot water in the morning. No tools, no mess. After just one use, I noticed the sink drained significantly faster. The odor that used to come from the pipes is also gone. That was a big win for us. I followed up again a few days later as part of the maintenance schedule Green Gobbler recommends, and the improvement has lasted weeks. Pros: eco-friendly and biodegradable. No harsh chemical fumes. Safe for all pipes and septic systems. Works great on grease, hair, and organic clogs. Con: it's not an instant fix for severe clogs. Needs overnight time to break things down. Or a little pricier than some chemical alternatives. If you're looking for a safe, environmentally responsible way to keep your drains clean, I highly recommend Green Gobbler Enzyme Drain Cleaner. It's effective, easy to use, and way safer than most commercial brands on the market. Definitely worth the investment for long-term maintenance. Have you tried Green Gobbler or any other natural drain cleaners? Drop your experience in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews like this. Link to buy is in the description below if you want to try it yourself.